Okay, guys, we just learned 90 degree, but where we can use it. Let's do small combination of steps where we can use this step. So start like this. Close your leg. Left leg is straight, right leg is bent. Now, right foot is on the toe, high toe position. Now, put your fingers like this, as strong as you can, and now squeeze yourself. Create a beautiful posture. Now from here, right leg goes back. You will step back with the heel down, and same time, this arm gonna go up. So one more time. We're here. As we're going back, arm going up. Boom. Very good. One more time. From here, arm going up. This is count 2. Again. From here, close legs. Tight position. Squeeze yourself. Make a small waist. Arm going up. Boom. Now, this arm up here. Super straight elbow. Bend your wrist. Very strong fingers. Elbow in front.